Hi, hello, welcome to GeoG classes. Today we'll solve one more problem on retirement of a partner. Okay, let's start up with the retirement of a partner. Already you learned how to calculate gain ratio, right? Now we will be solving a big problem with adjustments. You have to prepare revaluation account, you have to prepare partners capital account, and finally we will be preparing new balance sheet. Okay, let's prepare revaluation account. Check the question first. Yes. Now let's prepare evaluation account. What is the format for evaluation account? Particulars amount. Again, particulars amount. Particulars amount. Particulars amount. And you know, if asset increases, we will write credit side. Liability decreases, we will write credit side. Now, asset decreases, you will write debit. Liability increases, you will write debit side. Okay. Now, what is the first adjustment? You can check all these things from the adjustments. What is the first adjustment? Stock is appreciated by 20%. What is the value of stock? Appreciated means asset value increased. Stock is asset and that asset value increased. So, by stock account, what is the amount? 20,000. On that 20%, how much you will get? 4,000. The amount is 4,000. Okay. Next, machinery is depreciated. What is the value of machinery? Let me check it out. Machinery value is 50,000. It is depreciated by 5%. So, to machinery 50,000, on that 5% you will get 2,500. Okay. Next, motor car depreciated by 10%. What is the value of motor car? Motor car value is 14,000 and it is depreciated by 10%. So, write down 2 motor car 14,000, on that 10% you will get 1,400. Next, provision for doubtful debts. We have to provide 10% on debtors. What is the value of debtors? Value of the debtors is 30,000. On that 10% means how much will get? 3,000 will get. But already some provision is there. Please check the balance sheet. What is the provision? Provision was 1,600. Now, but how much we got? 3,000. So, how much it is increased? 1,400 is increased. Right? So, to RDD. 30,000 into 10%. How much you will get? 3,000. Already 1,400 they have provided. Now, how much you will get? 1,600. Clear? This is 1,600. Now, check what are the other adjustments we have. Outstanding power charges are there. Outstanding power charges, that is new liability. Outstanding power charges. It's a new liability. What is the amount outstanding power charges? It is 1,100. Now do the total. I think debit is more than credit. Correct? Debit is more than credit. Let's do the total. You got loss here. Let's find out what is the loss. Let's find out what is the loss. First check the total. How much is the total? Sorry. Yes. What is the total? $2,500 plus 1,400 plus 1,600 plus 1,100. 6,600. Sorry, this is already they have provided 1,600. Now we are Subtracting 1600, you will get 1400. Sorry. Now what is the total? It will be 6400. Here also 6400. Now by partners capital account. How much you will get? 6400 minus 4000, it is 2400. Okay. Now what is the ratio? How do they are sharing? What they mentioned, it is in the ratio of 5:2:1. Who are the partners? What are the names of the partners? Names of the partners Ravi, Shankar and Sharma. So by already partners capital account I have written Ravi, Shankar and Sharma. So Ravi, Shankar and Sharma. What are the ratios? 5:2:1. So 2400 into 5 divided by 8. 2400 into 2 by 8. 2400 into 1 by 8. Then how much you will get? 2400 into 5 divided by 8. 1500. 2400 into 2 divided by 8. 600. Then this will be 300. Got it? This is how you will solve the revaluation account. There is no change in the revaluation account. In the admission, you got only 2 partners. In this retirement, you got 3 partners. Other than that, nothing is different. Check the adjustments. If asset is increased, write down credit side. If liability is decreased, write down credit side. If asset is decreased, write down debit. If liability is increased, write down debit. Clear? Just solve this question. First, copy this question. Okay? We'll come back with the partners capital account. Copy it fast. Let us start partners capital account. Okay? Partners capital account. All of you knows already we have done in the admission of a partner. First, we will start with what are the capitals brought into the business by the partners that you can find in the balance sheet liability side. Okay? So now by balance brought down. Check the balance sheet and write down the amounts. It is Ravi got 50,000, Shankar got 30,000, Sharma got 10,000. Okay? Now, next, is there any reserve fund? If it is there, that we have to share. Okay? By reserve fund. Check it out. Is there any reserve fund? I don't have question with me. I can't by heart the question. So, I am keeping question in front of me and I am solving. Okay. Now, what is the reserve fund amount? What is the amount of reserve fund? It is 16,000. It should be shared between them in the ratio of 5:2:1. So, what is the amount? Reserve fund 16,000. Ravi, how much he will get? 16,000 into 5 by 8. Next, Shankar, 16,000 into 2 by 8. Sharma, 16,000 into 1 by 8. Then how much you will get? This is 2,000, this is 4,000 and this is 10,000. Okay, now write down 10,000, 4,000 and 2,000. Okay, now revaluation account. Check the revaluation account. If you got the profit, we will write down credit side. If you got the loss, then we will be writing debit side. So according to me, it was loss, right? So let's write down debit side to revaluation account. Revaluation account, you got 1,500, 600 and 900. Got it? Okay. Now whatever is there already we have completed. Now the main topic we are moving to the goodwill. So goodwill, already they earned the goodwill. Already they have earned the goodwill. Now who is the retiring partner? Sharma is the retiring partner. So it is the hard work of all the three of them. Now when he is going, even he will collect the amount of goodwill also, right? Who will pay that amount? Business only will be paying. From where business will be paying? From the partners' capitals only it will cut off. Clear? Now First, let's check it out. What is the goodwill? In that, what is the share of Mr. Sharma that will be paid by existing partners? Got it? Once again, what is the amount of goodwill? In that, what is the share of Sharma's? The Sharma's amount will be paid by the existing partners. Okay. Now, first let's check what is the goodwill amount. Goodwill is 35,000. Goodwill is 35,000. What is Sharma's share? Sharma's share is 35,000 into 1 by 8. You will get 4,375. Okay, let's check it out. 35,000 into 1 by 8. It is 4,375. This amount will be shared between the Ravi and Shankar. Their ratio will be, the leftover is 5:2 ratio, right? So now they will be sharing in the ratio of 5:2. Now Ravi, how much he is going to make the payment? 4,375 into 5 by 7. Okay, when he is taking more, he has to pay also more only. Next, Shankar, 4,375 into 2 by 7. Into 5 divided by 7, 3,125 into 2 divided by 7, 1,250. Okay, now here by to whom they are giving? To Sharma, right? Who is giving? Ravi and Shankar. So now his amount will be increased by Ravi account, 3,125 by Sharma account, sorry not Sharma, Shankar account, 1,250. The amount is paid by, where it should reduce? Debit side you have to write, then the capital amounts will be reduced. So write down to whom they are paying? Sharma. To Sharma account. How much? 3,125 and 1,250. Okay. Now do the total. Anything else we left? That's it, right? All the calculations were done. Do the total. How much you will get? 60,000, 34,000, 375, 16,375. 60,000, 34,000, 16,375. Let's see the balance. 60,000 minus 4,625. 55,375. This will be 34,000 minus 1,850. 32,150. 16,375 minus 900. Is it 900? No, 300, right? Sorry. Minus 300. 16,075. So these both are to balance carry down. And this is treated as loan account. We are going to make the payment, no. So it will be treated as loan account. Clear? Main calculation is goodwill. How do you calculate the goodwill? First find out what is the share of the retiring partners amount. Then that amount will be shared between the existing partners. Write down credit side. And you have to subtract from them. So we are writing debit side again. Clear? Clear, right? Please copy this one. Then we'll move on to the balance sheet very fast. Okay? Now, let's start a balance sheet. Okay? Check the balance sheet. Check the adjustments also. According to the adjustments, increase or decrease, everything you have to take under consideration, and then we will solve the problem. Okay? Let's check what is the first transaction. Creditors are there. What is the amount of creditors? It is 15,000. Creditors 15,000. Bills payable 9,000. Okay? And there is something new adjustment they have given, that is outstanding power charges, that is 1,100. Outstanding power charges 1,100. Now you have to write down the capitals of partners. Capitals, who are those? Ravi and Shankar. Because Sharma, retiring. So Sharma will not be there in the new balance sheet. Okay, here what is the amount you will write? Already you calculated the partner's capital account. Whatever is the amount you carried over there, whatever is the balance over there, that amount you have to write down. Okay, let's check it out. What was that balance? That was 55,375 and 32,150. Next we are having Sharma's loan account, right? What is the amount? Sharma's loan 16,075. Clear? Now we'll move on to the assets. According to me, we have completed the liabilities. If it is not completed, let us cross check if it is not added. Okay, let's move on to the assets. What are the assets we have? We are having first cash at bank 5,000. 5,000. Next, stock. It is 20,000. It's increased by, appreciated by 20%. So write down add appreciation. Already we calculated in the revaluation account. So I am not calculating. It's 4,000. So you will get 24,000. Next, debtors 30,000. And they mentioned RDD will be 10%, right? So it will be 3,000. You will get 27,000. Okay. Next, motor car. Motor car, it is 16,000, right? Depreciation, less depreciation, 1,600. How much you will get? 14,400. Next, we have machinery. 50,000 less depreciation. We already calculated 2,500. Then you will get 47,500. Check it out. Any mistake I have committed because I don't remember everything. Do we did correctly? This one is wrong. 14,000. This is 1,400. Then this will be 12,600. Okay. Now let's do the total. If it is not tallied, let me check it out. Which one I have missed out. Okay. 5,000 plus 24,000 plus 27,000 plus 12,600 plus 47,500. It is 1,16,100 I got. Let me check. 15, 9, 55,375, 32,150. Something is missing. Which one do I left? 12,600 exact amount. I will cross check the total. This total once again. 5,000, 2,004, sorry, 24,000, 27,000, 12,600, 47,500. 1,16,100 only. So which one we have left? Yeah, bills receivable is missing. Sorry. Bills receivable 12,600. So now let's check it out. It is 1,28,700. 1,28,700. That's the reason there should be someone to dictate the question. It will be very easy. We will not miss out anything. Okay, we can't by heart the whole question, right? And I don't want to by heart and teach also. Let us learn like this only. If we miss, then only you will know how to find out where we have committed the mistake. Okay, so check this question. I hope you are not having any doubts in that. If you are having doubts, please mention in the comment section. Okay, please copy it fast. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.